know, small boys jumping some goalposts.
Did you see that ludicrous display last night?
Every football team will be playing football several times and in various combinations.
That was liquid football! That was too hard! Someone's gonna get hurt if you kick it that hard! There's been a red card, but for who, Chris Tamara?
I don't know, Jeff, has it? I must have missed that.
Diamond formation, does anyone really know what that is?
The proof is in the pudding, and the pudding in this case is a football. Move! Eat my goal!
Oh, yes, marvellous, isn't it? He's kicked the ball. That man has it now.
You can't expect a professional paid to do nothing but play football all day to achieve the same level of physical fitness as a man who works in a chip shop all week.
This aircraft designed, for what it's worth after all that, as a successor to the de Havilland Tiger Moth for both the RAF and the Royal Canadian Air Force. Built initially by de Havilland's Canadian arm. There was quite a ready market for this new trainer in the years after World War II, particularly with more modern aeroplanes coming along, for which the Chipmunk proved an ideal lead-in. So many surplus wartime era trainers around, but things soon picked up. Around 1,280 of these brilliant little aircraft were built. And the idea here is they come in for an opposition pass. Pedigree of its manufacturer, North American Aviation.
It was North American Aviation's very first foray into the world of civil aviation, and there was some clear military influence on the design. That led, if anything, to an aircraft
With the Mexican Air Force, and is in those colours. In fact, it's in the colours of a former Mexican Air Force aerobatic team. Putting on a demonstration of absolutely liquid flying in this very, very popular aeroplane. We're talking about the Navion being praised by its pilots. This is universally loved, isn't it, and adored, the Cap 10 even.
Absolutely. I remember speaking to a Cap 10 pilot who said you can have as much fun in a Cap 10C as you can in a Mark 5 Spitfire. Talking earlier about the Navion before we got distracted by that very colourful Cap 10, and I started to talk about the economics of that aircraft.
Just like footballers, they change formation, gone into echelon for them.